One bright morning, Lila wandered into the forest.
Friends, will you help me teach this bird to fly?
Yes!
Together, they promised to help the bird learn.
We can help it fly together, right?
Oop, maybe not like that.
With each try, the little bird grew braver.
That was brave. Let's try again. You ready?
Cat, you're getting closer. Flap your wings and jump.
Lila was glad to see the birdie's progress.
Flying is more than wings. You must trust the air.
The bird was determined to fly this time. He was all sweaty, but he did not give up this time. Everyone cheered him up to raise his morale.
Take your time. We'll keep trying.
Drink up.
After a refreshing break, the bird stood up again to fly. He flapped his wings hard enough, and finally he was in air flying high. He was so happy, but
No.
lost its balance. They made eye contact and couldn't hold back their laughter.
I'll show you how it's done.
He was motivated and well prepared this time, his eyes full of determination. The bird started running again, and suddenly, it was lifted a little into the air. He was nervous, but when he opened his eyes, he was amused to see himself flying high in the sky. It was so breezy, the bird felt so light. Lila and her friends watched the bird from the ground. Everyone was so happy for him. He felt confident enough, so he removed his safety gear mid-air and flew even higher. The bird came down to Lila and friends and showed off his newly learnt skills.
Did you see that?
Yes.
It's all because of you, Lila.
The bird took everyone's praises after his performance with an honor and chuckled.